how do you identify those reinforcers as a beginning is an important task. In traditional ABA, they will do a preference assessment. It is a protocol, and they may do it every day. At the beginning of each teaching day, they will hold up 2 items. Which do you want? The kid points, right, that one's more preferred. Or they may put out many things in a row and have the student choose which ones they like. And from that, they can do it very procedural. And they mark down on a piece of paper. We never do preference assessments like that. I think the reality is that kids' preferences change all the time, right? If I give him this toy and he plays with it for a few seconds, maybe he's already bored with it. If I stick to that, this sequence of like always, this is the most reinforcing to the least, and use that across the day, it's probably going to not be very accurate. I think what we train our staff to do is to really try to really watch the student throughout the session to really evaluate what's going on. How much are they enjoying these things? Which ones are starting to lose their allure? Switching things out even though they're like working and popular. I have to think about reinforcement all the time when I'm doing the session.